Bienvenue everyone! The purpose of this video is to help you navigate train stations like this one in Rennes, France. First, you want to enter the station and relax. Look around for signs. Many of these signs are translated into English and have similar words. Today I'm taking a train from Rennes to Paris. I depart at 1:35 p.m. and I arrive at 3:05 p.m. My train number is 8620, and I'm going to look for my train number. This is on the departure display. There it is, 8620, leaving at 1:35. Perfect. The train platform is not assigned until about 15 minutes before departure. I arrived early to take care of myself and my dogs. There are a lot of eateries and shopping opportunities in the larger train stations. Dogs are allowed on trains but require a ticket. The cost is about half the price of a second-class seat to your destination. They're purchased at the customer service office. But don't forget to validate the paper tickets before boarding for you and your pups. Now that the tickets are validated, I'm going to take a moment to wash up. Be sure to have cash on hand when visiting the toilets, as there is generally a fee for access. They're always very clean and monitored. Next, I'm going to purchase a salad for lunch to eat during the train ride. The Rennes station has a number of healthy dining options. I really prefer this over food offered on the trains. Last, I take the girls outside for fresh air and a final potty break before boarding. The Rennes train station is newly renovated. It's light, open, airy, and absolutely stunning inside and out. Isn't that just so pretty? I love the outdoor seating spaces. It's very modern, but just a beautiful train station inside and out. Passengers begin to gather as we wait for the platform number before the platform number is announced. And the girls make friends. We were assigned to platform number 4. What I want you to do next is take a look at your ticket and take note of the carriage number and your seat number. Each train has a carriage number assigned to it. When you reach the quay, or your platform, look for the train composition screen. See the blinking dot? I'm currently located near carriage 12, and I need to quickly move up the platform to carriage 2. Here we are.
Ok, allez-y.
Alors, nous arrivons à Nantes, don-di-don, don-di-don, don-di-don. Nous arrivons à Nantes, c'est notre terminus, c'est notre terminus.